Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on the Skyline. Actually, we're not really going to be working on it very much, I don't think. The plan is to basically just do some carology. We're going to see what's in this bad boy. To be quite honest, I don't really know what's in there. I haven't looked around too much. We kind of got it home from Idaho and put it on the side of the shop and started collecting parts. I haven't touched it. GoPro time. Let's see what's in the Skyline.
Bam. Dude, this first person GoPro shit's so funny. Fuck him. Here we are. I've definitely looked at the driver's seat in this area before. So I'm pretty aware of what we got here. But let's start off simple. Got a quarter. Got a bunch of mold. Oh. The Corbos. Damn. There's a stack of seats over there. But I'll put it right here. These are totally camber plates that were originally off of Quentin's S13. And Charles paid me some dough for these. So Charles, hit me up. Let me know where your address is, and I'll send these to you. So we did get a new tool. Got a big ass crowbar. We could do all sorts of nasty shit with this. Yep. Got some stonks, man. Got some stonks. I think there are actually some. Yeah, dude. There's like a bajillion more skid stickers. Yo, if you guys need more skid stickers, hit up your boy. I got a stack of old schlaps. Aw. And that's what I'm talking about. Got money up in here. Ooh, different. You know what? Yeah, I probably left that. One's probably mine, honestly. Damn. Is there another pink one? Or is that just the only one? I didn't get these stickers, and I was kind of bummed I didn't. I was really broke. But those ones are a little goobered. Alrighty. Moving on. We have center console. What the fuck? This is not from my car. Is this from a 240? This looks like it's from a 240. I think this is from a 240. This also looks to be from a 240. Looks like we have some extra 240 parts along with the Skyline. We got the shift John. I do believe this is from the RB. Yeah. Oh, my buddy Michael gave me these. Probably not going to use them. Actually, Michael might be coming over later tonight. But I think what these are for, yep, these are McPherson swap top plate dudes. This would be really cool if I wanted to do this, but I like R32s because of the front suspension. It's like that's kind of where it's at. Oh, I don't know why this is in here. Oh, that sucks. Well, time to get a new helmet. It's fine, but like this helmet was the helmet that I ran when I was driving this car. It was the first thing that I ever sprayed with a paint gun. Yo, if anyone wants a BR, hit me up. It's all fucking yours. Don't do it. Look, man, I was trying to be cool. I thought it was cool. It was kind of cool. Don't do it. You don't need it, man. You don't need to do the pop bang bullshit. It's not, you don't need to do it. Shroud, or the surround guy, the fucking radio bezel thing. is yeeted. Been yeet skeeted, man. Bummer. I missed this guy. I missed my Sasquatch horn button. Oh no, is it stuck? Aw, I think the steering wheel is rather stuck, man. Okay, that'll be fun to figure out someday. Would you look at that? Got our very own after hours hat. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's a lot of water in there. I'm gonna take those seats out first. Oh, it's a good day to be me. It's an 8. It's an 8. Oh my goodness. It worked. It worked for me. It worked. Wow. Oh, Jiminy. Damn, I hate it when they do that. Bunch of mice. Just eating up all the stuff. Heave! On this side, it's pretty nasty. We got some trash. Oh, that sounds like not trash. Some trash. Some not trash. Interesting. Not really all that interested in going through trash, but I like money. Fucking... I'll take 50 cents, son. I'll take 50 cents. We got an ammo box. We got some stuff. Things. Don't know where they're from. Probably from this car. Glad they're here. Oh, yeah. There's a MAF and a intake pipe. With the welded fucking socket. Hey, man, it worked. I'm glad this is here. This is the windshield wiper washer. Boy, John. Ah, rip, though. I can fix that. That's not bad. This looks like somebody cut through it with a Sawzall or something. Like they were cutting off the front end. Got a Circuit Sports catch can. Alright, so there's an aux cord. Oh, I love it when cars come with aux cords. This looks like it was a nice one. No, it was not a nice one. Comes with an aux cord though. And here we have, this is actually kind of fun. There's this. This was a pen. It's still a pen probably, but it's now shapes. Oh, yep, that's that. There's some lugs in there. There's a bunch of fucking Idaho and yeah, some pliers, a 12 mil, maybe a 13 to 14. And a little cigarette lighter USB plug. Isn't that just fucking dandy? I'll probably end up using that motherfucker. Let's see if these sons of... Dude, it's so moldy. Yeah, I need to get this interior out quick if I want to save the carpet at all. Okay, so I think we've done almost all the carology there is to do on this thing. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take all the water out from there and put it into here. Yeah, dude, this sucks. Just fucking agua. Nice. Look at that. Some moths, some stuff. Now that's the vaccine. Lovely. Slow and steady. Got a big old musty rag. Yeah, it's just gonna get fucking soaked immediately. Oh, this car does not smell good. It used to smell good. It used to have a, like, you know, smell like a Japanese car. You get in Japanese cars, they have a smell. It had the smell. It smells fucking weird now. It doesn't smell good. It'll be good to take this harness bar out. I really should have taken this out on the other side, but with the harness bar out, I should be able to wiggle the seat around and about. Yeah, this is not going to be pretty. But we're going to see if we can make this shit work. I saw a spider go. Under there, so watch out for the spider. Why did I take it out of the back? Fuck yeah, no spiders, no spiders. We're clean. Alright, so with all the stuff cleared out, this is how she's looking. Not a whole lot left. Some weird washers, bolts. You can see the hydro lines. There's some more bolts and nuts over there. I'm super stoked that the Skyline's in here, man. I'm so excited to be working on it. That being said, I'm also still pretty nervous because it could be fucked, and like there's nothing I can do about it. That's still a possibility, and I'm trying to keep that in the front of my noggin. Or we are rolling the dice a little bit here, because I mean that's not great.
Well, it would have been fixable. No, I probably fucked it.
Broke it into 3 more pieces.
Hopefully not. No, there was only one little chunk missing out of it. It's probably 3.
It's gonna be fine.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine. Don't worry about it.
This looks a lot like the fasteners on 240. Very Nissan-y.
How does it feel to you? Have the Skyline in here?
I think I'm at least as excited. Nah, I can't be as excited as you. I'm very excited. I feel guilty that I keep kind of getting in your way, but I appreciate all the work on the E30 and the S13. But like,
hey man, you let me put my car in this shop.
True,
Thanks.
I guess, but like we allocated it for your purposes, and I think this is gonna work, and I think it's gonna be awesome. I don't know. I'm very excited about it. Like, this car is rad. It's so fun to drive. You scared the shit out of me in this car on the track because it went so damn fast. It has some magic. It's a great car. I miss it. It's not even mine.
Yeah, everybody misses this car, man. We all miss this car. All the friends. So, I don't know.
Damn.
We'll get her together soon. Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow, if not tomorrow, shortly after. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for ruining the audio, Michael.
Yeah. Look, man, I was trying to be cool. I thought it was cool. It was kind of cool. Don't do it. You don't need it, man.